Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our series, we are going to proceed from next video onwards. We will start executing programs and we were able to solve the questions. But before going to that, I want to clear one small concept so that you will be very happy or you will be understanding very good when we are solving the questions. What is the difference between software and a program? Software and a program. Clear? What is the difference between software and a program? First of all, program. Definition of program is definition of program means it is a set of instructions. It is a set of instructions to perform a task. Clear? It is a set of instructions to perform a task. Similarly, what is meant by software means it is a set of programs programs to perform a, just you can tell as a task. Yeah, to perform a tasks. For program for program it is a set of instructions. For software it is a set of programs. Means understand this very carefully. I will write below. This is a software. For example, this is a software. Then it has program 1, program 2, program 3, program 4, and so on and so on. Some 100 programs. Think 100 programs. 100 programs. A software is a collection of programs. What is meant by program? Now, make it big. Make it big. Now, what is a program? P1. P1. What is a program? It is the Python programming language. You will use some programming language to write the code. This is, for example, print hello world. Sorry, print welcome. Let make print welcome. This is for printing welcome. This program for printing welcome in Windows. First program. Next, P2 program. P2 program is for collecting user password, user password, and login. So this is second tasks. One tasks. First we got some work. Basically, think that we are working in Microsoft Office and we got work to write code for Windows. Write code for Windows. Think Windows. No, we need to write a code for big task, complex task. So that what we will do, we will break down task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, task 5, and so on. Some 100, 200, 50, 60. How many tasks we want? Small pieces. Small pieces. So it's like a puzzle. We need to make a big picture. We are making pieces. We are making pieces, and we are making each piece and we are forming each piece. See, P1 program completed, P2 program completed, P3 program completed. Then all programs will put together will make the big software. So make understand. I hope you people can understand this. Program is a piece of software. Now we are writing. Now we are writing programs. If you write programs, after some days, a collection of all these programs will become a software. So, and one more thing. See here, this guy. For example, a person A is doing this. He don't know about what is the software for Windows he is developing, or for some Mac OS, or some from XYZ company he is developing. He may no need to know what the P2 does, what the P3 does, what the P4 does, what the P100 does. What is his task? His task is to print welcome. What he will do? He will just print welcome. That is his code. Now what the P2 guy will do? He will take the password and user ID from the user, and he will check in the database. Means he will check whether the password is matching or not in the memory, and he will tell yes or no, allowed inside or not. Clear? Like this. Each program no need to be connection with another program. Just they are independent tasks. They are independent tasks. Clear? That I want to make sure. What is the difference between? See, this is the definition between a software and a program. This is the definition, and this is the one example. Now in the upcoming videos, from the next video onwards, for this program you will be writing. I will ask, write a program for this, write a program for some X, write a program for some Y. Like this, we'll be dealing with one tasks. Collection of all these programs will become a software. Clear? So I want to understand this. From next video I will ask to write a program. Do you understood, right? Why I will ask a write to program, why I will not ask you to write a software? If we are writing program, indirectly you are building software. Clear? So that we will make a pieces, we'll write code for each piece. After completing all the pieces, we'll combine together, we'll make a software. Clear? Thank you for watching. Please follow the next video where we will starting our first program. Clear? Thank you.